how to sign up or log into Wise app. If you want to sign up or log into and create a Wise account or log into your Wise account from the Wise app, it's quite simple. First of all, you open the Wise application and this is the interface you will see where you can tap the get started button. Now first of all, if you want to register, you can see the register button right here to create an account. Just enter the email address that you would like to have for your Wise account, then tap on the next button. Then after that, you simply have to open the email to approve the link that will be sent to your email. After that, you will be asked to create your password and so on. After you follow the on-screen instructions, your Wise account will be successfully created. Now second, let us move on if you want to log in. So if you want to log in instead, by the way, before you log in, you can also directly log in with Google, but you can tap on the login button. If you had entered it manually, you can choose to enter your email address and password manually and then tap the login button to log in. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on the I icon right here, or if you logged in with Google, Facebook or Apple ID, you can also directly right now log in with those accounts as well. And just like that, you will be successfully logged in to Wise, and you can also enter your password for this. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.